Now something very Finnish, blueberry pie with vanilla sauce. Let's start by making the sauce. 1 cup of milk and 1/3 of a cup of heavy cream. Then we need 1 egg yolk and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it well while heating it. Then 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. And when the sauce thickens, it's time to add the vanilla. Note that if you're using vanillin like I, it must not be heated because it becomes bitter. Then to the blueberries. I have here about half a liter of blueberries and I sprinkle sugar on them and also a little bit of cornstarch. Then we make the batter. Add 1 egg, 1/3 of a cup of sugar, 1/3 of a cup of milk and 1/3 of a cup of softened butter. Then 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Then just mix everything and then add it on a baking paper. This time I'm using a smaller pan because I was having little bit less of the blueberries. Just add it to the baking paper and blueberries on top. And then to the oven. 400 degrees and about 10 minutes later it looks like this. So it's time to enjoy.